Hello, Tech. Steve here. Let's talk about video editing, a process that stopped so many creators in their tracks. For years, editing meant wrestling with timelines, keyframes, and confusing software. But what if editing video was as easy as editing a Word document? Enter Descript, a tool that's changing everything. Descript transcribes your video, linking your words to your footage. Want to cut a section? Just delete the text. That's it. Editing becomes intuitive, fast, and fun. No technical wizardry required. Let's dive in and see how Descript is making video editing accessible for everyone. So what makes Descript stand out from the crowd of editing tools out there? Let's break down the core features that make it a game changer for creators of all levels. At its heart, Descript is all about text-based editing, a revolutionary approach that flips traditional video and audio editing on its head. Simply drop your video or audio file into Descript, and within moments, it automatically generates a perfectly synced transcript. This means you can see every word spoken right alongside your media. Editing becomes as intuitive as working with a document. Just highlight the words you want to remove or change, and Descript instantly updates your video or audio. No more hunting through confusing waveforms or endless timelines. Made a mistake or want to tighten up your message? Just delete the sentence or phrase in the transcript and it disappears from your final project. It's that simple. One of the most powerful tools is the Remove Filler Words feature. With a single click, you can automatically clean up every distracting or awkward pause, making your content sound polished and professional in seconds. But it doesn't stop there. Descript's Overdub, an advanced AI voice tool, lets you fix mistakes or add new lines just by typing. The software generates the new audio in your own voice, seamlessly blending it into your project. For example, if you accidentally say the wrong date or name, just type the correction in the transcript. And Overdub updates your audio automatically. No need to re-record anything. These features don't just save you a little time. They can save you hours on every project, making the editing process faster, easier, and far less stressful. With Descript, you can finally focus on telling your story and bringing your creative vision to life instead of getting bogged down by complicated software or technical hurdles. It's truly a workflow revolution for creators, teams, and anyone who wants to make great content without the usual headaches. No more tedious technical barriers, just a smooth, intuitive editing experience from start to finish. Now let's dive in and see how all these features come together in practice. Descript isn't just for editing, it's a powerful creation tool too. Its built-in screen recorder lets you capture your screen, camera, or both right from the app. When you finish recording, your video and transcript are ready to edit instantly. No importing or waiting. This seamless integration means you go from recording to editing in seconds. Perfect for tutorials, lessons, or quick team updates. Edit out mistakes or awkward pauses by simply deleting text. It streamlines the entire content creation process. Let's dive in and see Descript in action with a quick hands-on demo. Whether you're a seasoned editor or brand new to video creation, you'll see just how simple and intuitive this process can be. I've recorded a short welcome video and dropped it right into Descript. The import process is fast and seamless, so you can get started immediately without any complicated setup or waiting around. Instantly, Descript generates a full transcript that's perfectly synced to my video. It's almost like magic, no manual transcribing or tedious syncing required. There's an in my intro, so I simply highlight and delete it from the transcript. Just like that, it's gone from the video too, making my message clearer. I noticed I repeated the word really, so I delete the extra one. Now my script is concise and my video sounds more polished and professional. There's a redundant sentence at the end. I highlight, delete, and it's instantly removed from the video. No need to fiddle with complex timelines or worry about audio mismatches. Each edit takes just seconds, not minutes or hours. You can make changes on the fly and see the results immediately, which is a huge time saver. There's no timeline juggling or complicated tools, just simple text editing. If you can use a word processor, you can edit your video with Descript. The result? A clean, confident, and professional-looking video in under a minute. Your content is ready to share faster than ever before. This is editing for everyone. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, you don't need any technical skills to create great videos with Descript. If you can edit a document, you can edit a video. That's the Descript difference, making video editing as easy and accessible as editing text. Who benefits from Descript? Anyone who creates with words. Podcasters can edit audio by editing text, remove filler words, and fix mistakes with Overdub. YouTubers and video creators can script, record, transcribe, and edit all in one place. Educators and trainers can record lessons, edit out errors, and share polished content fast. Automatic transcripts boost accessibility for students and teams. Small business owners, researchers, authors, anyone can create professional content without technical hurdles. Descript puts the focus on your message, not the mechanics. If you can edit text, you can create like a pro. Descript isn't just a clever editor, it's a creative revolution that's changing the way we approach storytelling and content creation. It's designed for anyone who wants to bring their ideas to life, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out. Descript reimagines the editing process from the ground up, making it accessible, intuitive, and even fun. By making transcripts the editing interface, Descript matches how we naturally think and communicate. Instead of wrestling with complicated timelines or technical jargon, you simply edit words on a page, just like writing an email or a story. You can move, delete, or restructure your story as easily as editing a paragraph. Rearranging scenes or fixing mistakes is as simple as cutting and pasting text, making the process feel familiar and approachable for everyone. Collaboration is simple. Share your project and others can edit or comment just like a Google Doc. Multiple people can work together in real time, making teamwork seamless and efficient no matter where you are. No need for technical expertise to contribute. Descript's user-friendly design means anyone can jump in, make changes, and help shape the final product regardless of their background or experience level. This breaks down barriers and empowers more voices to be heard. It opens the door for new perspectives and ideas, making content creation more inclusive and diverse than ever before. Descript makes content creation fluid, intuitive, and collaborative. The workflow adapts to your needs, whether you're working solo or as part of a team, so you can focus on creativity instead of getting bogged down by technical hurdles. It's not just easier, it's more human. Descript puts the creative process back in your hands, letting you express yourself naturally and confidently. If you've ever hesitated to create because of the tech, now's your chance. Descript removes the intimidation factor so you can finally share your story your way with the world. Thanks for watching Tech. Go create something amazing, and remember, your voice matters more than ever.